Right.
I'll get round to you.
Pitch number one. So what we want to address with this Kickstarter project is we've got the rise of the immersive technology shared experiences happening at the moment. There's a drive towards sustainability for audiences to not travel as far. There's a drive towards audiences needing to be bigger and reaching global audiences. There's a drive towards audiences needing to be able to connect with experiences, the coming AR revolution as well with spatial computing. So we want to look at the problem of connecting these venues and experiences together without it just being a produced audio and video feed that's sent from one location to another. I think it was Tony was saying earlier on about building virtual production volumes in different sides of the US. These sorts of things are happening a lot, and it's not just about sending simple data streams between the two. It's complete connected experiences. So what are we going to do, Sam?
Yeah, so the intention here is to build on the very successful accelerator project that we ran last year, which saw us produce a live performance in a virtual space with performers distributed across the UK. We want to do a similar thing, connecting multiple locations with as low latency as we can get, and really focusing on a shared and equal experience between different locations with audience and performers across the world, potentially. So to do this, we want to look at the lowest latency we can do, and we want to do that for the full range of kind of performance data, so not just audio and video, but also lighting, media, control and management data, to really take this performance from one location and replicate it in multiple locations, or run a production that is taking place in multiple places, bring it back. And yeah.
We've both been involved in a number of projects over the years, these accelerator projects, and one of the things that we really want to address on this project is rapid iteration. So almost right the way from day one, doing live demonstrations, doing regular, frequent demonstrations, and just continuing to iterate and see how far we can push the envelope before IBC. And then hopefully at IBC do a live performance with audience and performers remotely. So what's the innovation involved in doing this? Well, as Sam's already said, we want to look at the complete spectrum of performance data, audio, video, light and media. We want to look at how we can essentially create a digital twin of that experience and then use that twin to feed the remote experiences. We want to minimize latency at every single step of the chain. We want to look at the role that 5G private networks might play in the acquisition and distribution of that data. And we want to look at the role of real-time engines and cloud infrastructure to really create this twin.
Yeah, so although we're here to kind of pitch to co-lead this project, we're actually both participants. So we've had very, very positive engagement with a number of potential champions listed here. But we're looking for champions who may potentially have a use for this. We're also looking for participants, so encoder, decoder manufacturers, low latency, so streaming connectivity, cloud infrastructure experts. We're looking for real-time engine specialists and, of course, venues, performers, and rights holders to help us bring these performances together.
Malcolm's not the backing singer. We'll let you do the big finale.
And we want to do this. We've had an amazing 3 years working in accelerators, and we've been very privileged and working with huge names, with massive right holders. So we still want to work with them, but we want to take this technology into provincial, smaller stadiums. We want to empower people to make their own content and not just the big guys. And we want to do it in a clean, lightweight, and again, this is a theme that we've been doing in our previous accelerators, very low carbon footprint, very light, put it in a flight case rather than in a truck. And and we want to build and share. Lots of our work that we've done has been in shared spectrum, so we want to use shared spectrum to share experiences. And as Sam says, not just we can do it globally. So we want to spread this and really get adoption.
We do. And Luke is saying we've got a minute left, so do you want to do the dance? Or?
No. I think we're done.
On time.
Yeah,